So we've been given that k out of 8 is equal to 8. And we've been asked to find the value of k. Every time you see a numerator without a denominator, there is a silent denominator of 1 under 8, right? So it creates two fractions being equal to each other. Again, there is a rule that every time you have two fractions equal to each other, if you want to eliminate the fraction, always cross multiply. B will multiply C, A will multiply D. They make a cross. That's why we call it cross multiplication. So A multiplying D creates AD, and B multiplying C creates BC. It's the same thing here. I'm going to cross multiply. So K will multiply 1, 8 will multiply 8. K multiplying 1 creates K is equal to 8 multiplying 8 gives us 64. And that is option E.